Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me once again. I don't have anything to show you today. We are going to be working with an interesting color palette. They are in the realms of black, grays, and a hint of blue, and we'll see how that turns out. Um, all the paintings are still sitting on my table drying, so I'm sorry I don't have anything to show you today. But we are going to go ahead, have some fun, get to painting. So without further ado, meet me down at the canvas. So hello, we are here. I am working on a 12 by 12 inch canvas, and I am working with some darker colors. So I'm going to show you my colors. I have Oxide Black by Amsterdam. That followed by Pearlized Carbon Black by Master's Touch. Then I have Pearl Space Gray by Arteza. And the Carbon Black has like a shade of blue color. If you could look at that, you'll see the hint of blue. Next color I haven't used this, is Aquamarine by DecoArt. Look how beautiful that color is. Okay, and topping that off, I have Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. So it's a little dark color palette, and I am working with Flow Acrylic White by Artist Loft. So we're gonna go ahead here, flood the canvas, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now we are ready, and we're going to go ahead and begin. So Oxide Black by Amsterdam. Pearlized Carbon Black by Master's Touch. Pearl Space Gray by Arteza. Aquamarine by DecoArt. And Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. I'm going to go ahead and torch out the air bubbles. Add one more color at the top, Pearlized White by Master's Touch, only because I want to lighten up this color palette. There. All right. And let's begin. And I'm gonna go this way. Wow, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love this. I don't want to do anything to it. I'm going to clean up my edges. I'm going to torch it out a little bit. Love it. Okay, that's it. Nothing else. I'm going to clean up my edges. I'll bring you in for a close-up. We'll be right back. Okay, everyone. So here she is. And I like it. I love the shades of grays and blacks and love the hint of blue. And usually when I am feeling a little off, I don't like to paint. But definitely I love that I was able to showcase really how this is how I'm feeling, I guess. I don't know. And it's okay. It's okay to use that and put it on canvas, you know, just show not only the bright colors, but also the dark colors that can be grief, as is happening to me. I'm still grieving the loss of my mom, and that is an everyday thing. So I guess this is, you know, how I'm feeling today. And yeah, I wanted to, you know, let it out. So this is my painting today with my emotions. And I really, really like it because in the midst of it, you see some colors and shows energy, movement. And we have to go through these times. So tell me what you think about this one. I do love the paintings. The colors are beautiful. We all have some of this within each and every one of us. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.